I just heard some mail show up, but mail doesn't usually come this early, so I am a little confused. Oh, but this looks like good news. Huh. Well, it doesn't say where it's from, but I know what I ordered, so let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the S5 Guy. It's Dirk, and as you saw, we got a package. Now, I know what this is, but I won't spoil it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you. We'll do some quality checks, and then I'll talk about why I'm not installing it yet. Let's go.
This is one of my deepest journeys.
Okay, so as you can see, this is very well protected. This is almost an unnecessary level of packaging, but I'm not going to complain, right? We appreciate this. This is like very high quality, very stiff bubble wrap. And look at that, we've even got like a discount code from the company, which I'll keep for myself. And I'm sure this is probably, what is this? It's probably something to help with the install. It's the little Ziploc baggie they sent me here. Let's take a look at this. Yes, this is stuff for the install. We'll get back to that. All right. Holy crap, somebody really wanted this to show up in good condition. There she is. RS front grille for the B9 S5 Sportback. I mean, I don't, remember off the top of my dome what all the clips and everything on the inside of the current stock grille look like by heart, so I can't really give you a quality check quite yet. That'll have to wait for the install video, but I mean, just on first glances, it's pretty sturdy. It's got the holes for the parking sensors. It even came, that baggie I opened earlier was an adapter for if you have the Prestige with the front mount camera, which I don't have, so it doesn't really matter. I've got a Premium Plus, but obviously this front plate comes off, and there's Audi rings behind here. I don't know if they do that as some kind of a trademark protection thing, they don't want to seem like they're selling Audi product, whatever. Anyway, so the Audi rings will go in there. I'm gonna do the chrome, and yeah, and this front bumper plate comes off too, because I did not want this on here, so thank God that comes off, but let's get you a closer look at it. All right, guys, so as you can see, I ordered the RS style grill without the Quattro in gloss black. I didn't get the Quattro because I've already deleted a lot of the chrome on the car and replaced it with carbon fiber in the first place. I'm trying to do a less is more approach. Hopefully this is just plastic. Yes, okay, this is just plastic. All these little spikies and everything had plastic on them. That's okay. I'm trying to take the less is more approach, and so just gloss black. This obviously won't be on. I won't mount a front plate at all. It'll be suction cupped to the inside of my windshield. Obviously, I will replace the parking sensors. I will keep just the chrome on the Audi rings because I bought an Audi. I want people to know it's an Audi. So, and real enthusiasts will, but I want non-real enthusiasts to know. So anyway, there's that. It looks really nice. It feels pretty sturdy. Like I can hold it by the honeycomb grill and it still feels good. As you can see, it has all the snaps that, from what I have seen taking these front grills apart before, will be necessary to line up the front grill mount so that this bad boy actually sits in. So hopefully when it comes time for install, everything lines up well. That'll be in a different video about the install. All right, guys, so I decided against the install for right now. Not because I want to, but because I only want to have to pull the front bumper off once, and I would really love to do the turbo intake pipes or charge pipes, whatever you call them, and the front mount intercooler. I only want to take the front bumper off one time. So there's a little teaser, a little taste of the RS style front grille. Look forward to the video of it going on. In fact, if you want to get a notification, why don't you go ahead and subscribe now. If you like this video, this unboxing video, want to see more of these, you can smash the like button on this one. Until next time, guys, I will see you for the install video.
This is one of my deepest secrets, Chairman.